doesn't the sun spring nice on your body? It does. But anyway, ta-ta-ta. So we finally found a house, and today I decided to make a mini tour. As you can see the background, there's like animals around, I think birds and whatnot. It's just a beautiful suited location, you guys. I can't believe that we are done with the hustles of finding a house. At last we are done. But anyway, without further ado, let's go for the house tour. This is the front, and we're going through here. Ta-ta-ta. There's some system here that I'm not gonna get into. Oh, there's a tiny person by the door. Hey, Baba. Where are you going? Let's go back in. Babe. Let's go back in, please.
Baba. Come. Move.
I'm coming in. I am coming in. That was little lady coming to mommy. I know, she's the best. So in the living room, I'm gonna start from the main bed. This is our bed. This is our bed. This is the view we have. Oh, mama handbag. You gotta see the ladies' things around. You always have to see ladies' things around. That is drying. That's why it's there. Folded, I know. You know what? Just don't mind that. Because there's just so much going on in this house. We're still settling in. That's like a Nana toy box and whatnot. This is our bathroom. We have one bathroom in this house. It's not an apartment. I almost said apartment. In this house, there's just so much going on. This is the laundry basket, the dirty ones. That's the bathtub. So it has both a bathtub and a shower. I know. Ooh. Hello, beautiful. Hi. Of course, that's me. Ooh. Sneak peek. This is the phone. The Samsung Galaxy FE something. I don't know. But anyway, moving along, we have two more houses. We obviously have the toilet and the laundry room. The laundry room here, and then I like to call them guest houses. I don't know why. We have not houses, guest rooms. Why do I keep referring to them as houses? This is the first room. Forget the towels, guys. Like, we're settling in, so everything may not be according to certain people's standards. I'm just doing a mini house tour vlog thingy, and then it has that. So I keep passing this here. I don't know why it's in the doorway. It could pack in here preferably, but for some reason it's just there. We're just gonna leave it there. And then this is the and then this one is locked. I don't know why this one is locked. Probably something's in there, or daddy's probably doing something in there. I don't know. It's locked, but that's like the guest room 1, and then the guest room 2. I love calling them guest room. Ooh, is that? Hello, beautiful. Oh. Hi. I love this mirror by the doorway. Like, you just come out and it's just there staring at you like, hey, embrace yourself. Hey, mama. So it's perfect for affirmations and whatnot. Moving along, we're going to the living room. Okay, living room. So this is our living room. Oh wow, that looks beautiful. Are they eating the sweets? Who? There's a Bambi there. Ta ta ta. Living room. And then this is the dining table. Going into the kitchen now. Always love books. You like, there has to be books no matter what, no matter where. Books are like the main signature, if you know what I mean. And there goes that gorgeous man, my honey bunny. Hey babe. Daddy just did some pancakes today. They were delish. I'm not big on pancakes, but I really love them. And also my husband is a good cook, so whatever that you're not used to, trust me honey, you'll love by the time he's done with it. Moving along, we're going outside. Oh, this part, it hasn't been cleaned yet. Oh, there we go. So this is the like sitting area. It has some laundry there, Daddy's caps, and then yeah, this is the, yes Bambi, and then there's like an outside telly, and then oh, what happened? Come, it's okay. Good job. Are you okay? Mommy's making a video. So this is like the backyard. I love it, guys. Like, you should see Bambi and I playing around here. Like, it's one of our go-to. It's one of my favorite place about this house. And anyway, this is our not living area, but the outside part, where you can just come chill with friends and whatnot. You can make braais here. You can throw some mini parties, you know, all the likes. But anyway, this is our house. We've been here for I think 2 nights now. So we recently just literally moved in, and to say I am relieved, it's an understatement. Like, it's so hard to find houses in these places, and the houses are ridiculously expensive, you guys. I would try to turn the camera on, but I have Nana. Anyway, this was the mini house tour vlog. I hope you liked it. Share, subscribe.